What's going on, guys? Marcus Czar here, and I'm going to show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin right now, this second, right now. The easiest way to buy Bitcoin in three simple steps. Three simple steps to buy Bitcoin, and it doesn't take long to do this. Anybody could do this if you have a phone, right? If you have an Android phone, you can do this by going on the Google Play Store. If you have an iPhone, you can do this by going to the App Store. And you need this app to do it. The app is called Cash App. So it's this green fella right here. I already have it downloaded. And this is the app you need to download. So all you need to do is go to the App Store. I'm going to do it along with you guys. It's real simple. Type in Cash App in the search bar. It'll hit search, and Cash App will be the first thing you see with almost 5 stars. So that tells you a lot about this app. Almost 5 stars with 411,000 reviews. And I can tell you Cash App is one of the most simplest apps to use. Cash App is basically to use it to send money between your family and friends. That's what it's popular for. So if you go out with friends and say you guys go out, eat dinner, and you don't have enough money, or you forgot your money at home, so you can't pay for your dinner, but your friend got your back like a real friend, and they pay, say for example, $10 to cover your meal, and then you say, hey, when I get home, I'll pay you. And since they have Cash App, and you have Cash App, you have your account link, which is your bank account or your debit card, which takes money from your bank account and then pays your friend through the Cash App system, right? That's how it works. So you can pay them back for covering your meal. That's what Cash App is used for. It's very popular for that. So as we go back to Cash App, and I'll open the app. Oops, sorry about that. That's Instacart. So go to Cash App, and once you get into Cash App, you're gonna be either presented with this screen, or you might have to upload your icon, your picture, and provide some basic information. But once you have all that stuff provided, you're going to be on this screen. This is like the home screen of Cash App. So like I was saying earlier, if you want to pay somebody through Cash App, you just put the dollar amount, say $5, and hit pay, and then you just search for the name as a dollar sign, which is the dollar sign for Cash App, which are usernames to the system, and their name will show up, and then you can send them money. And if you want to request money for them, it'll be vice versa. Search for their name, send a request for $5, and they'll pay you the $5 that they owe you. So that's Cash App in a nutshell. If you go back to the icon here at the top right, it has my name, has my picture. I can change my personal information, my privacy, my security, all those things. Document support if I get stuck. And then on your top left, you have your digital code, where if anyone has a Cash App, you guys could scan my code and you guys could send me money, right? And that's how it works. And you could provide this to your friends as well, and they could just scan your code and send you money that way. Real simple to do. So that's that. And then on the bottom left corner, you got where it shows $6 and a dollar sign. Click on that. Cash App, another thing about Cash App is it can be used as a way to receive direct deposit. So if you want to receive your money through Cash App, this will be your routing and account number. You'll provide that to your employer, and then your employers will start depositing your checks through Cash App because you gave them your routing and account number. So another new thing that just launched recently through Cash App, which is very cool. Then you got your deposit and transfer histories. Then if I click on Bitcoin, it just shows me the amount of Bitcoin I have, and it shows me my wallet. So you'll need to enable your withdrawals and deposits so you can cash out your Bitcoins and things like that. And you'll need a little bit additional information to do that. I haven't gone through the steps to do it myself yet, so I know they're gonna ask for your email address, as you guys just seen. So they might ask for something else. I don't know. But if you guys go through the full steps, let me know in the comments how it went. But I'm gonna definitely do mine later down the line. And then it just give you a breakdown of the display units. You can learn more, or you go learn more about Bitcoin. And all Bitcoin is just a blockchain technology where there's this digital public ledger online where everybody can see everyone's transactions without a bank doing it, right? It's not centralized, it's decentralized, which means the people, me and you, random people throughout the world, verify transactions for Bitcoin, and it makes it, secure that way, and it makes it transparent, right? That's what it's all about. And it's cool. It's new technology, and a lot of people are just now getting started with crypto and how blockchain works. And then after that, after you click on Bitcoin, it might not show anything since you haven't probably linked your account. So this is step number 2. This is the most important thing you need to do, which is link your account. So link your debit card or your bank or credit card. So once you have everything linked, like I was explaining earlier in the video, your funds will be taken out from your bank, and then your bank will send the funds to Cash App, and your Cash App will send the funds to either, to pay someone back that you owe, or you can use it to buy Bitcoin. So if you want to buy Bitcoin, once you have that all linked and set up, you're going to go down to the squiggly line right here at the bottom right. And then this is the vesting side of Cash App. And you got your stocks and you got your Bitcoin. Since we're talking about Bitcoin, we're going to go on Bitcoin. And then you guys are going to see this chart. So I got about $8.28 in Bitcoin. Bitcoin price currently at $5,729.12. And just give you some key information there. So this is the all-time 1 hour time frame, 1 month time frame about what happened with Bitcoin the whole month, what happened to Bitcoin within this whole week, and what happened to Bitcoin this whole day throughout this whole price action day. That's all this chart is showing you. Then all you would need to do is hit buy. And if you want to buy, this is the cool thing about Bitcoin, is you don't have to buy a full Bitcoin to be invested in Bitcoin. You can buy $1 worth, $10, $20, $100. You'll get a fraction of a Bitcoin. That way, over time, you'll start to build your portfolio up, and then hopefully, eventually, you could accumulate 1 Bitcoin, which will hopefully be worth a lot of money down the line, long term. Then all you need to do is hit next if you want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. Use my Touch ID just for that security, and then it'll just shows me a breakdown of what I'm buying. So total Bitcoin purchase will be $97.70 because of the fees. There's $2.27 in fees for this transaction, and the total cost will be $100. So if I wanted to confirm this, I'll hit confirm to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, and it's that simple. And that was the last step. This is the third step, which is hitting buy. But if you already got Bitcoin, like I already do, I could just actually sell this. If I want to sell $1, $2, $4, $6 worth, I can, since it's a fraction of a Bitcoin. Or if I want to sell all of it, I hit next and just go through the sell process. But since I don't want to sell right now, I'm not going to do that. And then, as you guys can see this, as we were looking at this earlier, this is for your wallet. So you'll get your wallet where you'll be able to receive Bitcoin and send your Bitcoin to people around the world. So since I don't have that set up yet, I'll do that later down the line. And then just further down, as you guys scroll down, you get your news from CoinDesk. CoinDesk is a legit site to look at cryptocurrency, stay up to date with cryptocurrency news. You got the block, and then you got Bitcoin Magazine. There's others as well, but it seems like Cash App only has 3 sources so far. And then my activity, my transactions, and just my different Bitcoin limits. $100. I could purchase $100,000 per week of Bitcoin, which is a lot of Bitcoin. So I'm pretty good there. So that's pretty much it about Bitcoin on Cash App. This is by far the easiest way to get started with Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin, just to be a part of it, of this movement of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's back at its high levels from 3 years ago. So this is a very, very important time. A lot of people is watching Bitcoin. Will it continue to go up, right? Will it continue to have those strong momentums going from 6,000 to 17,000, 18,000, 19,000, and 20,000, and so on and so forth? A lot of people predict that. I'm a strong believer it's going to move that way as well, but who knows? We will see down the line. But with that said, Marcus R, smash a like button, leave a comment if you guys enjoy the video, and just give me feedback. I definitely enjoy that as well. I'm out, guys. Have a good one.